Hey there, financial friends. If you're eyeing the Capital One Savor card for its amazing cashback rewards, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to get approved, so you can start earning on dining, groceries, and entertainment without an annual fee. Let's dive in. First, what is the Capital One Savor? It's a popular credit card that gives you unlimited 3% cashback on categories like restaurants, grocery stores, excluding superstores, and streaming services, plus 5% on hotels and rental cars when booked through Capital One Travel. It's perfect for everyday spenders looking to maximize rewards. To get approved, start by checking your credit score. Capital One generally requires a good to excellent score, think 670 or higher on the FICO scale. You can use free tools like Credit Karma or Experian to check yours quickly. If your score is lower, don't worry. Focus on improving it by paying bills on time and reducing outstanding debts. Next, gather your application details. You'll need your social security number, proof of income, employment information, and possibly your address history. Having this ready makes the process smooth and error-free. Now, head to the Capital One website to apply. Fill out the online form accurately. Be honest about your finances to avoid any red flags. The application is straightforward and can take just a few minutes. After submitting, wait for a decision. Some approvals are instant, while others might take 7 to 10 business days. If you're denied, Capital One often explains why, giving you a chance to address issues like high credit utilization. Here are a few tips to boost your chances. If you already have a Capital One account, mention it. It could work in your favor. Also, avoid applying for multiple cards at once, as that might hurt your credit score temporarily. And remember, patience is key. Building good credit takes time. Once approved, activate your card and start enjoying the perks. Getting the Capital One Savor is a smart move for your wallet. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.